Hey guys, this is Dr. Don Gates from Scale Solutions. I hope everybody had a happy and wonderful holiday season. But now that the holiday season is over, for a lot of us, it's time to get back to work. We've got a little bit of that holiday cheer, making our pants a little tighter, making us feel a little bit more sluggish. And so, just want to remind you guys that Scale Solution is here to help you get back on track. It's time to get back to those fundamentals, trying to eat frequently, making sure not to save your calories up to the end of the day, and to get off of all of that junk food cold turkey. Get rid of those crave foods. It's going to make it a lot easier for you. I'm telling you, if you can do that, you'll be ready for spring. So come join us at Scale Solutions. We've got some tools to help you get back on track. The holiday season is over, so now it's time for us to get serious about our nutrition and diet again and start amping up our exercise if we kind of let that drift a little bit during the holidays. Anyway, I hope everybody's well, safe, and getting in line to get vaccinated if that's what you're comfortable with for this COVID. If not, stay safe, and we'll see you soon. Thanks so much, guys.